All right, doing a little bit of polishing, marble polish right now in the bathroom. We had to cut, there was some bad stains in here, so we cut it, honed it. Now we're polishing and blending it in. So it's a little bit of this area, blending some of the polish in. So if you need some marble cleaning or polishing, visit www.navescleaning.com. Take a look. We love to assist you with any kind of marble needs. We do also other stuff, much more. All right, this is part 2 of the marble we honed and polished. You can see the shine right there off that light. On the counter, it had some yellow staining from water and chemicals from the cleaning lady. We got most of it out. We had to cut it very deep, and then we polished it. By cutting, I mean hone it with diamonds, and you're only taking, microns off. And then we had to do the same thing here. You can see the shine on this floor. You can see how shiny that is. So that's what we do. We're really good at restoring. And this had a real bad stain right here. We cut that. We actually cut it by hand with a hand polisher, and then used another floor machine to polish everything out. So you can see how shiny that is right there. So this is what we did. Before and after on the marble floor and counter. And like I said, if you guys need anything out there done, commercial or residential marble, we do entranceways, all that. Please visit us at www.navescleaning.com. We can take care of whatever you need, and almost 25 years experience cleaning and restoring all different surfaces in your home, your apartment, and your building, your commercial facility. We do it all. Thank you.